Hello sweet friends, come close tonight, a magical tale will sparkle bright. The stars are singing, the bells all ring, Bluey finds wonder in everything. The snowflakes twirl, they dance, they glide, Bluey runs fast with joy so wide. Her paws leave prints upon the ground, a jingle sound comes all around. A tiny squirrel, with tail so round, carries small bells that make soft sound. Tinkle and chime, they ring so clear, hello dear Bluey, Christmas is here. The bells go ding, the bells go dong, the rhythm skips like joyful song. Bluey claps paws, her eyes so wide, the squirrel twirls right by her side. The moon shines bright with silver grace, it paints soft light on every place. The squirrel jingles with gentle cheer, Bluey barks happy, the magic's near. Together they prance, they laugh, they play, jingling tunes in a merry way. The bells keep time, a steady beat, while Bluey's paws skip quick and sweet. The pine trees glow with gentle light, sparkles of gold twinkle through night. They hang red bows, they hum a rhyme, they laugh in step with bell-like chime. Come join our fun, come sing along, subscribe for joy, for story, for song. Stay with us here, with laughter near, more tales will come each day this year. The squirrel climbs high with nimble feet, drops shiny nuts as a special treat. Bluey collects them, stacks them high, the pile looks bright beneath the sky. The fire inside goes pop and glow, warmth in the air feels soft and slow. Bluey and Squirrel rest on the mat, listening close to the crackle chat. They share their dreams of gifts and cheer, of hugs and songs and friends so dear. The bells ring soft, a lullaby, floating like clouds across the sky. Snow drifts down with gentle grace, whispers of peace in every place. The world feels still, the stars all keep, the night invites them both to sleep. Bluey leans close, her tail curled tight, the squirrel hums low in the silver night. Together they rest, so calm, so mild, dreaming sweet dreams like any child. The candles fade, the tree lights glow, the embers dim, the breezes slow. Bluey's soft voice, a whisper true, Christmas is love, and so are you. Farewell dear friends, with joy so near, we'll meet again for more good cheer. Come back for rhyme, for play, for song, our gentle tales will not be long. Now close your eyes, let calm flow through, the squirrel smiles kindly, Bluey does too. The bells ring love, so warm, so true, and Bluey loves you too.